In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the perfect affiliate product to sell that your audience will love and buy from you. If you are an online marketer, if you are an affiliate marketer, or if you are planning to start your affiliate marketing business, there's no point to sell a product that nobody is willing to buy. And no matter how experienced you are, if you are selling something that nobody wants, you won't have any success. So if you want to find the perfect affiliate product to sell that your audience will love and buy from you, it starts from a research. You need to start by surveying and asking questions to know what your customers want. And you can do so by using live chat tools like Mobile Monkey, which will help you with messenger messaging, Qualero, which is a user research tool, SurveyMonkey, which is a survey software that you will use to know what your customers are looking for, what they want. And if you are selling the exact same thing that they want to buy, you will be successful on the internet. Once you know what your customers want, you will want to know where to go and find those products, right? Good. So if you sell retail products, you can go find those on websites like Amazon Associates, eBay Partner Network, Jet Affiliates, Target Affiliates, Walmart Affiliates, and there are plenty of them that you can choose from if you want to sell retail products. If you want to sell educational based or software products, you can go to websites like ClickBank, JVZoo, OfferVault, Rakuten, Warrior Plus, Flex Offers, Share a Sell, Commission Junction, Eventgate, Max Bounty, Purefly, and the list goes on and on if you want to sell educational based or software products on the internet as an affiliate marketer. If after your research you find that the product that your customers want is educational based, you can go to websites like Udemy, Treehouse, Coursera, Quick Start, 360 Training, and you can do your own research to find more places where you will choose and promote affiliate offers that are educational based products. So the main point here is that you must sell products that will help people out, a product that will help people to solve a problem, a product that will satisfy a need. Once you find a product to promote, the next step will be to choose a platform where to promote your product. And you can use YouTube or a blog website. If you want to use YouTube like I'm doing right now, you will need to make videos that will be related to the product that you are promoting. And in the description of your video, you will leave the link that will take people to your affiliate offers. If you want to use a website to promote your product, you will make sure that the content you are writing, the content you are posting on your website have a connection with the product that you are promoting. So your product must be connected to the content you are writing about. And here are two important tips for you. When you're writing your content, make sure that you include links inside your blog post. Links that people will click on and go buy your products. Also, add a call to action to your blog post, most of the time at the end of the blog post. A link or a button that will tell people what will be their next step after they've read your blog post. This is how simple it is. If you follow the steps, you will be able to sell a product that people will love and buy from you. In case you are interested in learning more about my #1 recommended program to promote on the internet, I will leave a link in the description for you that you can click on and learn more about my #1 recommended affiliate program. This is how simple and sweet it is today. If you like the video, go down and hit the thumbs up. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe to the channel and remember to hit the notification bell so you get notified when I publish new content on this channel. I really appreciate your time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.